AI is evolving. Web 3.0 is redefining the internet. Blockchain is disrupting the industries. Do you want to be a part of this evolution? Hey guys, my name is Maurya Hanspal. I'm a CFA charter holder with over 7 plus years of experience in the field of investment banking and asset management, and of course, a passion for teaching. I've trained over 15,000 plus students into the various fields of investment banking and asset management, and of course, the blockchain and the cryptocurrency world. And hereby, I bring to you on Godplate a power packed, industry relevant curriculum upon the architecture of the blockchain and the cryptocurrency world. Whether you are a complete new beginner or someone curious about the next big wave, you are rightly here. We'll be teaching you from the very basic to the most advanced fundamental of the blockchain and the cryptocurrency network. So what are you guys gonna learn? You guys will learn about the full architecture of the blockchain technology, different types of blockchain networks, starting from a public blockchain to a consortium blockchain, the practical applications of the blockchain technology in the real world industries globally. What is the cryptocurrency? Different types of cryptocurrencies. Altcoins. Why the altcoins came into existence? Crypto ETFs. And at the end, the most interesting one. Tactical trading tips and technologies to trade with the cryptocurrencies in a live market. So here we are. And they rightly say that crypto is the new gold. But we say it's your opportunity to lead. So come and join us at Jaipuriya to learn about the entire world of the cryptocurrency and the blockchain network. Let's decode one block at a time. Stay tuned. Thank you so much.